Installing a new door is a great way to enhance the appearance, security, and energy efficiency of your Orangeburg home. Whether you're replacing an old entry door, adding a new patio door, or upgrading interior doors, a professional installation can significantly improve your home's functionality and aesthetics. However, to ensure the process goes smoothly, it's essential to prepare your home beforehand. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps to prepare your home for a door installation in Orangeburg, ensuring the process is efficient, hassle-free, and yields the best results. Clear the area around the door before the installers arrive. One of the most important things you can do is clear the area around the door that will be replaced. This includes both the interior and exterior of the door. Interior. Move any furniture, rugs, or other items that may obstruct the work area. This gives the installers plenty of space to work and reduces the chance of accidents. For interior doors, be sure to clear the hallway or room in which the door is located, allowing easy access to the door frame. Exterior. If you're replacing an entry door or patio door, clear the space outside the door as well. Remove any landscaping, furniture, or decorations that could obstruct the installer's ability to work efficiently. Also, make sure there is a clear path for the installers to move in and out of the house with the new door. Clearing the area ensures that your door installation will proceed without any unnecessary delays, making it easier for the installers to get the job done quickly and professionally. Protect your flooring and walls. While door installations can be quick and efficient, some debris or dust may accumulate during the process. To protect your home, you should take steps to safeguard your flooring and walls. Cover the floors. Place a protective covering, such as a drop cloth or plastic sheeting, over your floors to prevent any scratches or dust from settling on the surface. This is especially important for hardwood floors or carpet. Cover the walls. Some door installations may require adjustments to the door frame, which can involve slight abrasions on the surrounding walls. Consider covering the area with plastic or painter's tape to prevent any damage to the walls during installation. Ensure proper door measurements and style selection. Before the installation team arrives, make sure that you've selected the correct door style and size for your home. Double-check that the door you've chosen fits your existing door frame, or, if you're having a new frame installed, that it meets your specifications. Measurements. Verify the door's dimensions with your installer to ensure it will fit correctly in the opening. This includes both the height and width of the door, as well as the thickness. If you're unsure, ask your installer to confirm the measurements before purchasing the door. Style. Choose the style of door that suits your home's aesthetics and functionality. For example, you might opt for a modern, sleek design for a contemporary home or a classic wood door for a more traditional look. Energy-efficient doors or storm doors may be a good choice if you want to improve insulation and security. Having the correct door and proper measurements in place will ensure the installation is smooth and you get the door that best suits your home's needs. Consider access for the installation team. Your installers will need easy access to both the interior and exterior of the door. If your home is equipped with an entry door or patio door, Make sure there is sufficient space for the team to move freely. Garage and parking. Ensure that there is parking space available for the installer's vehicle, especially if they need to bring large equipment or a truck to transport the door. This helps streamline the installation process and ensures that the installers can access your home easily. Access points. If your home has gates, fences, or other barriers, ensure that they are open or accessible to allow the installers to bring the new door to the appropriate area. This is particularly important for backyard doors or patio doors that might require more space. Making sure there is clear access to the worksite helps the installation team move quickly and efficiently, reducing the time it takes to replace your door. Make arrangements for pets and children. During the installation process, there may be some noise, movement, and open areas that could pose safety risks for children and pets. To ensure their safety, take the following precautions. Pets. Keep pets in a separate room or area away from the installation site. This will keep them safe from any potential hazards while also giving the installers the space they need to work without distractions. Children. Similarly, keep children away from the worksite, as the area around the door may be temporarily obstructed or dangerous due to tools or open doors. You may want to arrange for childcare during the installation to avoid any interruptions. Ensuring that your pets and children are safe during the installation process helps the installers work efficiently and gives you peace of mind. Communicate any specific requirements to the installers. If you have any specific requests or requirements, it's a good idea to communicate these to your installer before they begin work. Whether you have special requests for door finishes, hardware, or installation details, clear communication will help ensure that you get exactly what you want. Hardware choices. If you've chosen a specific doorknob, handle, or lock, make sure to confirm these choices with the installers. This will ensure that the correct hardware is installed with your new door. Custom requests. If you're opting for a custom door, ensure that the installer understands any additional requirements or design elements that need to be considered. Conclusion. Preparing for a smooth door installation in Orangeburg. Preparing your home for a door installation in Orangeburg ensures that the process goes smoothly and that you're happy with the final results. By clearing the area, protecting your floors and walls, confirming measurements and style, ensuring easy access, and taking safety precautions for your family, you'll help the installers complete the job quickly and efficiently. Taking these steps in advance allows you to enjoy the many benefits of your new door, improved security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, without unnecessary delays or complications. Make your door installation experience a positive one by preparing your home ahead of time.